So this, again, I mentioned annotate, and there's the detail line, shortcut DL, and you create a annotation line that you can change the type of line as, you know, hidden, etc., etc. And there's another thing under architecture, which is model line, and that probably creates some confusion. LI or ML, what it does is a line that it is three-dimensional. So when you click that one, it's going to ask you, well, in what plane you want to draw the line. No? So you could just set it to be drawn in any place. So for example, if I go to a plan and I say model line, and I draw in this particular plane, which is the level 1, and I go to 3D, there it is. That line is drawn in the project, belongs to the project fully in every single view. You will see it. You will see it in the floor plans, ceiling plan. Well, not ceiling plan is looking up in this case, but they are in the three-dimensional space. And I think that's why they're green, because they're almost used only and fundamentally as a working guide for other three-dimensional things that you need to do. You can create model lines here and there, and then maybe separate them whatever distance, so you can place a window right next to them. Or you can create a couple of model lines in 3D that go in a particular angle, so you know the gradient of that angle, et cetera, et cetera. So they're three-dimensional. They belong to the entire project, and they will be visible in every view. Okay, so be careful with that. They're very different. Normally, when you have your final plans and drawings, you probably are best situated in a moment where you hide in view the category of, you know, hidden or model lines. So you don't want to see those. But again, it's why I think green is kind of alarming and in asking you to hide them in a final type of document. Okay, you can go from model line to detail line if that's something you want to do, and that's just as simple as convert lines. Normally you can convert this one back, just convert lines, but if you go to elevation and you click that, that's a one, you should be able to change that into two model lines. Okay, here's convert lines. It tells you Revit converted one line, and now that means that this line is not anymore a model line, it's actually a detail line, so it won't belong to the three-dimensional space. But that's something I explained before.